In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer old emails to Gmail. This is a handy skill, especially if you're looking to consolidate all your emails into one easy-to-access place. Whether you're switching from another email provider or just want to have all your past correspondence in one inbox, this guide will make the process seamless. Let's delve into how you can achieve this transfer efficiently and effectively. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to your Gmail inbox. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to sign into your account. Once you're inside Gmail, take a look at the top right corner of the screen for the gear icon, which represents Settings. Click on this gear icon, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will direct you to Gmail's main settings page, where you can make the necessary adjustments to import your old emails. Within the settings page, you'll see several tabs that organize all the different settings options. Your focus should be on the Accounts and Import tab, which is typically the fourth option from the left. Click it to access the options related to account management and email importation. This area allows you to link your other email accounts and transfer all the data to your Gmail. Once you've opened the Accounts and Import tab, locate the section titled Import Mail and Contacts. Here, you will want to click on Import Mail and Contacts. This action prompts a new window to appear, asking you to sign in to the account from which you want to import your mails. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter the relevant email address and password for your old email provider. Your next step will involve selecting the specific data you desire to import. Options typically include contacts, old emails, and new mail for the next 30 days. Take your time to review each choice and select what suits your needs. For most users, the option to import both old and new emails is ideal to ensure nothing gets left behind. After making your selections, confirm the choices and the import process will begin. Keep in mind, depending on the amount of data, this could take a while, sometimes several hours. Gmail will work in the background to carry out the importation, so you can still continue to use your email as usual and wait for everything to arrive. Once the process completes, check your Gmail inbox for confirmation that the import was successful. You should also see your old emails appear seamlessly within your inbox. Now you have all your emails, old and new, consolidated in one place. Congratulations! You've successfully transferred your old emails to Gmail. This process ensures you never have to miss out on any important correspondence while enjoying the ease of having everything in one location. Thank you for joining today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful.